because we were hungry. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is tamela leevoy and I am back with yet another video. If you're new to this channel, you are definitely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hello, hi. So today I'm not riding solo. I am with and yes, today, as you have seen on the title, Ndinde makes the meanest pizza, homemade pizza. So she's here to teach me and you how to make the meanest homemade pizza. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So Ndinde is going to take us through the whole process. So you can start by telling us, what do we have here? What do we have to have in order for us to make Ndinde's homemade pizza?
So you have to have the sides and have onions. We have cheese. This is also cheese. This is also cheese. And then we have robot peppers, which is green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. And then here we have mushrooms. And here we have Russian and Vienna sliced into circles and squares. And then here we have basil.
Yes, okay.
So yeah. Oh, and the chicken breast sliced into small pieces.
Okay, so why do we have to have different types of cheese?
For the taste, I think other like the cheddar, others like a different cheese. So I think it's cool to have something different.
Yeah, so this one is cheddar and this one is mozzarella, right? Yes. Okay, because I wanted mozzarella, so I got the mozzarella. So she's going to take us through the steps. So Ndinde is going to be like the head chef in all of this. Yeleti is Ndinde's assistant, and you know, because this is my channel, baby, and I love food. So okay, take us through the process, Ndinde.
Okay, so you need to boil your water first. This is warm water. I mixed cold water and hot water, so it's warm water. And then you are gonna need this is how much, 120. So you need 3 of 60. So you're gonna fill, this is basically the price, right?
Okay.
So it's gonna be this.
So that measurement
And
is
it's
120. So
Yes.
120 by 3 is like 360.
No, not 120. It's 60 times 3. So it's 180.
Oh, okay.
180.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Yes.
So this is basically 2 of that,
Alright.
and then half of this. So and half of this, like that. And then you're gonna have yeast, a packet of yeast. So you have to use the whole packet, like that, and then
Yeast brown. I thought yeast is white. I'm learning new things today.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Yeah, so my mom is gonna be talking in the background because my mom loves baking,
And then
guys.
you're gonna have to leave this for 10 minutes. So time what? Yeah. Yeah.
For the yeast to be ferment.
Yes, exactly.
Oh wow!
See why your mom was
We're fermenting.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And also, I forgot to mention, guys, my friend Renee is behind the camera. She's producing this whole video. Renee, say hi.
Hi. I'm not allowed to be in the
Okay,
camera.
cool.
So here we're gonna, the measurement is 235. Okay, so here we have the measurement is 235. So you're gonna use all of it. And also a teaspoon of salt. There.
There's a lot of sauce.
It's not really a lot, but it's something. I don't really like a lot of salt because last time I did this with a lot of salt during the disaster.
Okay.
So while we're busy waiting for the yeast, we left it 6 minutes and we're gonna leave this, so I think it's best if we boil this. I prefer my meat with something, so we'll use this 6 gram.
Okay. So there's no specific measurement to the spice, you just spice it to taste.
The way you cook your meat.
Okay.
Is the way you cook it.
Alright. So in the meantime, as we're waiting, tell me what sparked your interest into making pizza?
It's just the lockdown, hey. The thing is, I've always tried different things. I've done samosas, I've done almost a lot of things. So I just thought, let me try something different. And my friend made a pizza the day before, so I was like, you know what, if I have the ingredients, let me just, and then it was perfect. And then my family started loving it, and they just wanted
I love it.
So I just started, like almost every week it was pizza, so yeah.
And I love
And
it
then
too.
the day she came, I was making an order for my uncle. Yeah, guys, my uncle. So he has to go from home to my uncle's house. So it didn't get there.
We ate all of it, okay?
So now I still owe my uncle.
Uncle's gonna forgive us, because we were hungry.
Now we have to mix this into the yeast.
So this mixture, is it for one pizza? Or?
Yeah, for one.
Okay,
For
right.
one.
Cool.
So, okay. This egg is cooking us.
Okay, so we're mixing the flour and the salt with the yeast and the water.
Okay, wait.
Yeast, water, and sugar. Okay, so Nyeleti, do you also like this pizza what situation? What also sparked your interest into making pizza? Because I know, like, when you get into it, like, you are into it.
Because I like cooking and baking.
And she always watches the cooking channel.
As you can see right now, it's sticky, so you have to add more until it's not sticky. But don't add a lot because. So we're just gonna add bit by bit.
Yes, Tata when an assistant. Meantime, we're going to preheat the oven. And what is the yes, mommy to the rescue. So the degrees, is it degrees Celsius or degrees? Degrees.
No, cut it to 150. Because last time
last time we burnt one of the pizzas, so yeah, man.
Okay, so
that's
now
my mommy, guys.
Now I'm gonna go get her with you guys. I'm gonna have to use my
And guys, please excuse us, we don't have rolling pins and all of those stuff for pizzas, so yeah.
Make sure it's not sticky.
Okay.
Make sure, try your level best. It's not sticky. Go all ghetto on it.
Okay. Okay, so
Make it not stick together, so you just have to stir it up a little bit.
okay.
A tablespoon of oil. Just this.
Just 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the reason for the oil?
For my hands not to be sticky. As you saw, they were very sticky. So
the pen.
yeah.
Okay.
So you see now my hands are not around. I think this dough is very nice. You see?
Yeah.
Just add a bit more.
Use this side.
Okay, so the next one I can also try to do the dough, right?
Yeah. Next
Oh,
video you're doing everything.
yeah.
Then we'll see if you're a fast learner.
The tabletop, and this is where we're going to, yeah, what do we call it? Roll the dough. Roll the dough. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Why do we do this?
So that doesn't stick to the floor.
Okay. Okay, we don't have a rolling pin, so we're going to use the glass. We must improvise, guys.
Yeah. You gotta do it together.
The most important part is for us to eat. Isn't it, Miss Produce?
Yes, honey.
Right.
Binde, do you ever consider being a chef?
I am gonna go to culinary school, maybe, but
For what? For
Just
so
like
that you be
us.
like a perfect wife?
no, not to be a perfect wife, but to be a good cook for myself. And
Is it too big?
I don't want it to come in.
So we're measuring using a plate.
Just use
Gotta
what
improvise. You gotta improvise. Hey, wow, this looks cute. Yeah. I'm just ready to eat, guys. honestly.
Pen.
And we're gonna use the
Non-stick
non-stick spread. A little bit of flour.
Paste, we're gonna use tomato sauce. My favorites, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, and sweet chili. This was you can use whatever sauce you want for the paste. I just but it's fine since we didn't do a lot. But if you're doing it, just add a bit of it.
Is the onions enough?
Yeah.
And we add more cheese.
Yeah, on top just.
You said cheese, Afe. Cheesy.
And then we for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Where's the phone? Line and do the rest of the pizzas. I like chicken, so I'm gonna do my own and then I'm gonna show you. This is the final product for the first pizza.
Looks nice.
And some
It
people
tastes heavenly.
some people tasted one piece and yeah.
Clearly, this
It wasn't one piece. It was just like, you know.
Yeah, so this is the final product for the first pizza. We're going to do more pizzas, but I'll just take pictures and show you at the end. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please do tell me if you want me to bring back Linda and Milady for yet another video of us cooking or anything else. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, also on all social media platforms at tamela_leevoy, and I will keep on entertaining you. Please do catch up on other
Follow
on
me
my
as well.
other videos, and you can also follow Linda
At Linda.tamani on Instagram
and Milady
on TikTok.
Yes. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I am so exhausted and hungry. So yes. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Adios. Taste it. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Ooh,
Mozzarella.
Oh my god.
You can taste it well. I can't.
It's the one.
Don't taste me.
Potato's gonna potato.
I'm gonna taste first.
And when you mix a rotten potato, thank you, baby. Thank you. This is nice.